Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll try to understand how to copy and rename worksheets. Now, when I'm talking about copy, you want to create a copy of the similar worksheet that is available. Yeah. So I already have this data. You know this. Yeah, we have created it through various videos. Now there are two ways in which you can create a copy of your worksheet. Yeah. Ultimately, the window that opens to create a copy would be the same. The first way is to right click on your sheet, any of the sheets that are available, right click on it, and you will get an option to move or copy. Click on move or copy, and you will get an option where you want to copy it. Yeah. So if you want to copy this worksheet to some other workbook, then it will ask you for a new for that particular workbook if it is open. If you want to create altogether a new workbook, I can create a new book. Yeah, but I want to create a copy right now in the same workbook. Now, where do you want the copy to be placed? Whether you want to place it before sheet 1, whether you want to place it before sheet 8. Yeah, I want to create a copy before sheet 1. The same copy that I have, that is sheet 7 copy, has to be created before sheet 1. Yeah, before sheet. And the most important thing that you need to do is you need to click on this checkbox, that is create a copy, or it will not create a copy, it will just move. So if I just try to create a copy, I just uncheck this box and do not check this box, and I say okay, you'll find sheet 7 has been moved before sheet 1, which we do not want. We want to create a copy. So I have to right click on it, move or copy, select the workbook or a new workbook that you want to copy the sheet to, select where you want to move the or create the new copy. I want to create it before sheet 8. Yeah. So suppose I want to create the sheet 7 copy before sheet 8. Then I'll click on the checkbox. That's really very important that you need to do. Yeah. Post that, you just click on OK, and you can see sheet 7 is as it is, and we have created a new copy that is sheet 7, and you get in brackets 2, which is a copy which identifies that it is a copy. Now I can rename this copy and use the data or change the data. Yeah, but before renaming, I want your people to see how the second way we can use or get the copy option. So I go to the home tab, click on this format option which is available. Yeah, click on the arrow. This is next to format, and you have this move or copy sheet here as well. So I click on move or copy, and you get the same window which we had earlier by right clicking on it. So you have to follow the same procedure to copy the worksheet. Now, since we have created a copy, you can rename it. Now, renaming can be done in three ways. Either you can directly double click, left double click on the sheet name itself. So if I double click on the name, it will directly ask me to edit. Yeah. And I can say copied sheet and press enter, and the renaming can be done. Or the second way I can do is right click on this sheet name, and there is a option to rename it. Yeah, I'll say copy of sheet 7. Yeah, again, so we have seen two ways of renaming this particular sheet after copying. The third way, again, we can go at the format tab, which I have pointed arrow at. Click on the arrow next to format and you have this option to rename the sheet. So I rename the sheet. I could say raw data copy and press enter. Yeah. So we saw two ways in which you can copy a sheet, either by right clicking on the sheet and making a copy of it, or going to the home tab, clicking on the format command, and you get the same window again using the copy command within the format command. And second, we saw how we can rename a particular sheet. First is by double clicking on the sheet itself. Second is right clicking on the sheet, you get the option to rename. And third, using the format command, which is available in the sales group on the home tab. Yeah. So this is how you can copy or rename sheets within Excel. Hope you understood how you can do it. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you have any views or suggestion or feedback on this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get this kind of videos 365 days directly to your inbox. Yeah, because this is what we are going to do the entire year. Thank you so much.